Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about getting information conversation part 1. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. So let's begin our conversation. Conversation A. Here, let me tell you, S1 denotes first person and S2 denotes second person. So, the conversation is between first person and second person. S1. What's the matter? Second person. I need some information. First person. Go to that desk over there. Second person. Thank you very much. Conversation B. First person. Can you help me please? Second person. I will try to. First person. What's the best way to get to this address? Second person. I am sorry, but I really don't know. Conversation C. First person. How can I get to that address? Second person. You can go by taxi. First person. Isn't there any other way? Second person. Yes, by bus, but it's complicated. Conversation D. First person. How do I get to the nearest subway station? Second person. It's 2 blocks up that street. First person. Do you mean the street running that way? Second person. Yes, that's the one. Conversation E. First person. Is this the right way to Grand Central Station? Second person. No, you are going the wrong way. First person. Which way should I be going then? Second person. It's in that direction. About 6 blocks. So, if you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.